Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be doing some more on Excel sheet. You know that in the last week, we have started this work on Excel sheet. I have already introduced you with what are Excel sheets and for what purpose we use them, right? So Excel sheets are basically the spreadsheets on which we maintain data, all the office work, or in not only in the schools and different types of offices and banks everywhere, the data has been saved and maintained through this. Why? Because a lot of formulas are over there. You can automatically add up things, you can automatically subtract things. So all of these things you can together do this on computer. So when this ease is available, so everybody use this. Okay, so not only you have already learned that how we can save the Word document, we have practiced how we can add pictures to it, how we can add shapes to it, but in today's class, we will be learning how we can add work on the spreadsheet. So today's work is very interesting. Why? Because I'll tell you that how to add automatically on the spreadsheet. I'll tell you about the formula that is there on the spreadsheet that can do all the sums for you in a second. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen with you over here. You will be following the same procedure, the same steps to open this Excel sheet. The first step is that click on the search bar over there. You will be writing Excel. Then open the Excel sheet and then click on the blank sheet, and this sheet will be open in front of you, which is right now on your screens. Now over here we will learn that how we can add different numbers. Okay, so we will be making a list over here, and the list is about animals in the reserve. Okay, or let's say that you visited a zoo and over there you saw different types of animals. So you want to know that how many animals are over there in that. So in order to know that, what we will be doing, we will make a list of that. Now let's first make the list of animals. In this column I will be writing animals, and in this I will be writing their number. Okay, so the first animal that we have seen in the zoo is zebra, right? And how many zebras were there? There were 6 zebras. The next animal that we have seen is lions. Okay, so how many lions were there? We saw 4 lions. Okay, let's look at the next animal. We also saw some giraffes over there. And how many giraffes were there? There were 3 giraffes. Okay, then we have also seen some monkeys. And how many monkeys were there? There were 8 of them. And the last but not the least were cheetahs over there. And how many cheetahs were there? 2. Okay, so this is the whole list of animals that we have seen in the zoo. Okay, and what we are trying to do, we are going to add these all numbers together to see that how many total of animals were there in the zoo. So in order to add them, just look at this step very carefully. What we will be doing, we will first select all these cells in which numbers are written. See, I have selected them all. How many? Total 5 of them. Okay, in all of the cells in which numbers are written. After selecting, you will move the cursor over here, and over here there is this sign which looks more like E. You will just press on it and see it has added up all the animals for you, and the total is written, which is 23. Okay, any confusion? What we have done, let me give it a border so that, see, this is the total which the computer has or the laptop has added for us. I haven't added it by myself. And what is the procedure? That all the cells in which you have written numbers, you will select all of them, and then you will click on this sum, and it will automatically add all the numbers and will provide you with the sum, and the sum is 23. 3. Got it? This is how we add numbers, or this is how we, yes, find the sums on the laptop. Now, what is your class activity? You will be practicing the same. You are also supposed to make a list. The list can be same, like you can make one with the animals. You can change the numbers as well. You can make a list of toys that you have. You can make a list of anything, whatever you want. But what is important is that you are supposed to practice this sum formula. Okay, so hurry up, start working, and let me know if you have any confusion. We will resolve it together. Hurry up. Yes, all of you are working. Done. The list has been made. Any confusion? Okay, wonderful. So that was all for today. What we have learned, that how we can add something on the laptop by using a formula, and the computer can do all the sums for us within the seconds, right? So you are supposed to practice it at your home as well, and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.